Let's update the StateTransitionManager script to have the game object jump. We need to add a new reference to the ground check script that we created. Let's do that. Within the update script at the bottom, let's add the following changes. Here we're just checking if we're grounded, and if you press the jump key it would change to the jumping state. We want to also add a new field to check if we're coming down after jumping. In order to do that, we need to reference the rigid body component. To determine that, here if we're not grounded and our y velocity is less than 0, then we're falling. Let's also add a new transition to change to the idle state after jumping, like so.